Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. So guys, now if you have no sound coming from radio speakers, we'll demonstrate on this generation Dodge Ram what we need to check. We need to go ahead and open the hood, and once you guys open the hood here, now we want to show you on the driver's side, that's your car battery. In front of it you have the main fuse box. Press these two tabs at the same time, leave that cover, open it, underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse pulled and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So if you have no sound, we need to check a couple fuses, guys. Now, please make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you, that way you don't end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. Here we need to check fuse number 71. This is, guys, okay, 71 will be that fuse right here. That's for the sound amplifier. If it's blown, most likely you will not get no sound. The radio fuse is not here. It's hidden, guys. You wonder where. Now if we open the engine, the hood again, and behind the car battery, next to the brake booster, between the brake booster and the car battery, you have one little bitty cover. Open it, underneath you have a 20 amp fuse. In most cases that's your radio fuse. Check it as well. Other things that can cause, guys, no sound, okay, could be bad radio. So you may need to disconnect the radio and see if that fixes it, reconnect it, or it could be bad sound amplifier that we see quite often as well. Those are the most common things we see at the garage on Dodge Ram why it has no sound. So guys, you have all kinds of different fuses and relays. Some of those are very specific, they're hard to find, especially if you're in a small town or in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't find one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere for a few days until we got a shipment on the internet, guys. So keep some spares in your glove box for peace of mind. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.